Hi guys, and welcome to another review by smallscalemodels.co.uk. Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing the Hot Wheels 1970 Mark 1 Ford Escort RS1600, part of the Hot Wheels workshop range, and this is the Fast and Furious version. So let's get into the review. So looking at this, we've got some fantastic detailing on here. We've got some really nice gold wheels, fat gold wheels. They do stick out from the arches, which is a nice feature. We've got the decals on the side, as you can see. We've got a Hot Wheels logo on the bottom of the car there. Also, we've got some great detailing around the door handles, so a bit of paint on those makes a massive bit of difference. Looking underneath, well, you can see the sides there. You can see a bit of chrome around the bumpers, which is nice. Looking underneath, we've got the rear differential, blue base plate, and we've got the front gearbox and a bit of engine detail. Not a great deal, but a little bit on there. So we'll move around to the back, and looking at the back, we've got the lights, we've got where the number plate would be, we've got a chromed bumper, which is a great finish actually, and then we've got the clear glass on the back, as you can see, which is really nice. We've then got a blue roof, and then looking in there, we've got clear glass again on the side. What I do really like about this is the great bit of detailing on the front. So yeah, we've got the headlights, we've got the fog lights, we've got the chromed bumper, we've got the headlights, we've got the decals on the bonnet. But do you know what really goes to show how good Hot Wheels are and the detail they go to? We've got the bonnet pulls on the front, so what lock the bonnet down, and then we've got the red, what I can only describe as the fuel cutoff, just at the corner of the windscreen. So all details have been catered for on this one. Really nice model, and yeah, thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe.